Trees whisper truths as they flow down, and their songs entwine with the trees that stand, knotted in time by nature's hand. Each echoing step on the forest floor opens up